Hey, welcome everybody to a minute in the boardroom. And this is where I share my business, career advice, things that have taken my career from here to here, techniques that I've used in multiple businesses to try and take their business from here to here. Now, obviously, you're joining me in the boardroom where I'm a director of a multi-million-pound business, and I just really want to share some of the things that I use on a day-to-day basis that I believe if you implement in your career or your business can help take your business to the next level. Now, the word that I want to use today is stamina. Do you have the stamina to succeed? Do you have the stamina to outlast? Do you have the stamina to keep going when everybody else quits? The reason I use the word stamina, you know what it's like. In a race, everybody lines up on the starting row, okay? Everybody's there. And it's great because everybody's like, yeah, I've got it. And for the first couple of minutes, everybody's racing and they're pushing forward and everyone's got all that energy. But you give it 20 minutes, you give it an hour, and you start to see those who have the stamina. You start to see people flagging. You know, and not only those who are flagging, then you start to see people stop because they don't have the stamina. They haven't prepared themselves. They don't have the stamina to continue to the end or to the finish line. But then there's those who have the stamina and are able to push for 2, 3 hours. You know, those guys who go hard in the gym. That's what you've got to be like in business. Business is not a sprint. Business is a marathon. And the only way that you're going to win in your career or in business is if you understand that it's a marathon. Success does not come overnight. Career success does not come overnight. Business success does not come overnight. It is a marathon. And so what I'm saying to you, you've got to build that stamina. You've got to be able to say, right, you know what? I'm going to be the one who's not going to quit. I'm going to be the one who, over the course of a year, 2 years, 3 years, puts in the same effort that I did on day one. Too many of you are quitting either early, or too many of you are having all the energy, all the effort right at the beginning. But then when you get to year 2, you start to flag. Well, that's when you need to be pushing more. That's when you need to be doing more. So you've got to find that personal stamina, how you build that, go figure. Okay, we can do a video if you want me to talk more about that. Obviously, we only keep these videos really short. But what I've done to be able to maintain my stamina, I have my why in front of me. Okay, I have motivational people around me, I have accountability around me. So the clear vision of how we want to move forward. I'm always looking for smaller milestones. Okay, I'm not always looking just for the big thing, but small milestones that we can, if I can just win this account, then we can turn it around. If we can just deal with this issue, then we can turn it around. So that's what I tend to look for, and that's how I keep my stamina. But I'm more than happy to go into that in further details if that's of interest to someone. So listen, that was a minute in the boardroom. The word for this week is stamina. You've got to have the stamina to make it in business and to make it in your career. God bless you. And obviously, if there's anything that you want us to talk about or a word that you want us to review, hit me up and I'll do my very best to share that on the very next video. All right, see you later. Bye-bye.